Exercises that will improve your eyesight. Trying to figure out how to improve your eyesight, or just want to get a better idea how to take better care of them? Well, whichever the case may be, you're so not alone. For the most part, eyes are invaluable resources in human life. Without them, life itself will be meaningless. So yes, it's only normal to do all you can to keep them in tip-top shape. What can you do to improve your eyesight? Well, at this point, chances are you're thinking contacts and glasses, both of which are excellent. But hey, do you know that you can improve your eyesight all by yourself? Yes, there are quite a number of eye exercises that work to promote healthy eyesight. And the best part is, you can do them every day, or as much as you want to. With this in mind, here are 5 exercises you'll definitely want to try right now. 1. Palming. Palming is a simple yet effective exercise that trains your eyes to reduce muscle tension. Essentially, the aim of palming is to completely relax and soothe your mind and eyes. While sitting or lying on the floor, prop your elbows on a cushioned surface. Now cup your hands over your eyes, ensuring that your fingers are overlapping each other and resting on your forehead. Just hold the position for 1 to 2 minutes. And try as much as possible not to apply pressure on your eyelids. In essence, your palms shouldn't come in contact with them. If done right, you should see a field of intense darkness. Of course, this indicates that you're in a state of perfect relaxation. On the flip side, if you see bright colors, illusions of light, or patches of gray, it simply means you're a bit tense. Just try to relax. We'll recommend visualizing a pleasant memory, more like one that puts your mind at ease. All in all, just focus on palming for as long as you can. Frequent and lengthy periods of palming is key to seeing great results. 2. Corner-to-corner shifting. For this exercise, you'll want to force your eyes to make a series of short yet rapid shifts or swings from right to left alternately. Then stop. Be sure to repeat 5 times for best results. For those who might not be aware, corner-to-corner shifting is highly beneficial to your eyes in the sense that it helps your eyes relax while smoothing out its movements. What's more, this exercise does an excellent job at reducing muscle strain and tension in your eyes, neck, and head. Its ability to improve the focus mechanism of our eyes is also a huge plus. 3. Sunning. Yes, this exercise is pretty straightforward and easy to perform. And of course, the sun is all you need to reap its amazing benefits. For the most part, sunning improves your vision and helps your eyes stay healthy and vibrant. Just stand outside before sunrise or sunset, then close your eyes and face the sun. With your eyes closed, feel the sun's rays on your face and eyelids. Just breathe and relax. Finally, slowly move your head from side to side and bask in the warmth and energy of the sun. Feel it on your eyes. 4. Swinging. This is yet another simple technique that could even double as a whole body exercise. Just so you know, this particular eye exercise increases mobility of the eyes, improves vision, and banishes stress and fatigue perfect. While standing upright, make large turns to the left and right, and at the same time, visualize the motions your eyes perceive in the environment. 5. Blinking. Finally, just learn to blink frequently. In fact, you should make it a habit. Why? Well, it's only because it lubricates and cleanses the eyes with tears. That's not all. The simple act of blinking also relaxes the eye muscles. And that's it. Top 5 exercises that can take your eye health to the next level. The good news, each technique is super easy to perform, and you're sure to see great results in no time. What more could you ask for?